Hello traders, you are welcome to this video. If you are looking for a fast and efficient strategy to make the most out of the volatile crypto market, then you are in the right place. All right, in this video, we are talking about the best 5-minute crypto strategy. Okay, this strategy is perfect for those who want to trade the 5-minute chart, making quick trades with minimal risk. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this strategy will help you navigate the crypto market more effectively. Let us start with the basics. Why the 5-minute chart? Well, the 5-minute time frame is ideal for traders who want to catch quick price movements in the market. All right. Unlike longer time frames where trends develop slowly, the 5-minute chart offers fast opportunities for traders to enter and exit positions. It's especially effective for scalping, where you aim to profit from small, short-term price fluctuations. The key here is speed. The crypto market is known for its volatility, and the 5-minute chart lets you take advantage of those quick shifts without holding trades for too long. Okay, now that we understand why the 5-minute chart is important, let us set up our chart. For this strategy, we will need a few essential indicators. Okay, so we are going to be adding the EMAs, 9 EMAs and 21 EMAs, and we are also going to be adding, so let's just use the ribbon, and we are also going to be adding the RSI. All right, so for the EMAs, we are going to be using the 9 and the 21 EMAs. All right, just make this tick. Okay, so these EMAs help identify the direction of the trend, and when the short term EMA, which is the 9 period EMA, crosses above the longer term EMA, which is the 21 period EMA, it signals a potential buying opportunity. Then when the short term EMA crosses below the longer term EMA, it's a sign to sell. Now, the next indicator is the relative strength index, which is used to identify overbought and oversold conditions. The RSI typically ranges from 0 to 100, with levels above 70 indicating overbought conditions and levels below 30 indicating oversold conditions. This will help us confirm entry points when combined with the EMAs. Now let us dive into how to spot the best entry points with the best 5-minute crypto strategy. Okay, basically, when the 9 period EMA crosses above the 21 period EMA, that is your signal to consider entering a buy trade. However, don't just jump in immediately. Check the RSI. It should be above 30 but below 70, and that is exactly what we have here. So this means that the market is neither oversold nor overbought, giving you a safer entry. All right, so would have considered entering a buy trade, stop loss below the recent swing low. Take profit can be around key resistance zones, or when the 9 period EMA crosses back below the 21 period EMA. Now for sell trades, you look for the 9 period EMA crossing below the 21 period EMA. Again, confirm with the RSI. If the RSI is above 70, it suggests the market is overbought, signaling that a sell trade might be a good move. All right. Now, an essential part of any strategy is managing risk, and the best 5-minute crypto strategy is no different. When setting up your stop loss, you want to make sure it is placed just below the most recent swing low for a buy, or just above the most recent swing high for a sell. For example, if you had entered this sell trade, the stop loss ideally should be above the recent swing high. Take profit can be around key support zones, or when you have the 9 EMA cross back above the 21 EMA, then you jump out of the sell trade immediately. All right, so this ensures that if the market moves against you, your losses are limited. For target levels, a common approach is to use a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. That is, if you want to use a fixed ratio, you can just use 1:2. This means if your stop loss is set at 20 pips, you aim for 40 pips target. This ensures that you are maximizing your potential profits while keeping risk at a reasonable level. Now, here are a few pro tips to help you get the most out of this strategy. First of all, avoid overtrading. The 5-minute chart can be fast-paced, but don't let that lead to overtrading. Be selective with your entries and focus on high-quality setups. Secondly, monitor market conditions. The crypto market can be unpredictable, so always check for major news events or announcements that could cause sudden volatility. Okay, and use multiple time frames as well. While the 5-minute chart is the main focus, it is always a good idea to check the 15-minute or 1-hour chart to confirm the overall trend. All right, so this will help you avoid trading against the market direction. All right, so ensure that you're always trading in the direction of the trend. Whatever is the general trend on the higher time frame, that should be your focus on the lower time frame. Okay, so if the higher time frame is currently in a sell trend, you should be looking for sell opportunities on the lower time frame. Okay, it is important. All right, so that is it for the best 5-minute crypto strategy. By using the 9-period EMA and the 21-period EMA along with the RSI, you can effectively identify key entry and exit points in the crypto market. Remember, risk management is key, so always use stop losses and set target levels to protect your trades. All right, if you enjoyed this video and found the strategy helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.